Hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Onyinye and you're most welcome. This is a channel where you get to learn everything concerning music, most especially gospel music. And if you're new to this channel, you just want to kindly click the subscribe button, like this video, comment if you have any questions at the end of the video, and feel free to share. Turn your notification bell on so that you get notified when I drop new videos. And in today's video, I would like to take us through the basic parts in music, which is the soprano, the tenor, and the alto. And for the purpose of clarity and having a good understanding, I would be showing us how these parts are derived from the keyboard. Now I would like to really take this lecture from that basis so that you won't get confused when we come to scoring of songs and then we have to swap parts. Having this basic knowledge and understanding will guide you on what you're supposed to sing per part, especially when you swap. So that is why I'm using the keyboard, and I just hope you're not confused. So first thing we should know is there's what is called chords on the keyboard. Chords on the keyboard. And the notes, the regular notes we know: do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Those are notes on the keyboard. And for a do note, now for you to produce this note on a chord, every note has three other notes that form as a chord to produce the note. So if I'm just picking the do note because that is what I'll be using for this tutorial. Now the do note, when I want to produce do as a chord, it comprises of do, mi, so. I just hope you're not confused, but I'll take it again. When I want to produce the do sound as a chord, if I want to use a chord to produce a do sound, it's going to comprise of do, mi, so. Now that is a formation for the three main parts in music. There are other parts in music, but we're concentrating on these three parts. Now do stands for soprano. You may want to write that down. It's to come in handy, trust me. Do stands for soprano, mi stands for tenor, and so stands for alto. Okay, so this is it, and I it's very important. I use it and it's of great help. So you take it again. Do stands for soprano, mi for tenor, and so for alto. Now these three will give you the do sound: do, mi, so, soprano, tenor, and alto. Now I've outlined it here. This is what we have. I put it up: soprano, tenor, alto, do, mi, so. And you call it the root formation on the keyboard. You call it the root formation. Now supposing I wanted to swap parts, or my choir wanted to swap parts to the next formation, which is the first inversion. What is going to happen is the sopranos will take mi. So it's just simple. The mi will come here, the so will come here, and the do will come here. So automatically the sopranos will take mi, which is tenor. The tenors will take so, which is alto, and the altos will take do, which is soprano. You call it the first inversion. And then if I wanted to swap again, the so will come here, do will come here, and this mi will come here. So automatically the sopranos will be taking the so, which is alto. The tenors will take the do, which is soprano, and the altos will take mi, which is tenor. You refer to this as the second inversion. And if I wanted to swap again, I'll go over it again, which is going over it again will come back to the root formation, which is sopranos will come back to do, tenors will come back to mi, alto will come back to sol, and like that, and like that, and like that. So by the time you exhaust this and you're swapping again, you find out that you have come back to the root formation, and like that, and so on. So in summary, what was to summarize this video, all I'm trying to say is a formation that comprises of the three parts: do, mi, sol. Do stands for soprano, mi stands for tenor, sol stands for alto. Now if I wanted to swap, the mi will come to sopranos, the sol will come to the tenors, and the do will come to the altos. So you just want to write this after this video, just write it down as I've explained and take some time to study it, and you would understand. So when you can understand this, you would be able to know what part will sing, what each part will sing per time. So if I'm a soprano singer, if we were three of us and I'm a soprano singer and I was taking soprano, I just know that my alto singer is going to take alto, the tenor singer is going to take tenor. But if I was supposed to sing, maybe the key was too high for me to take soprano and I wanted to tone it down to alto. So if I'm a soprano singer singing alto, you can use this formula to determine what the rest of the parts will sing. So using this formula, I'm singing alto. I just know that the tenors are going to take sopranos, and the soprano and the altos are going to sing tenor. So just take some time to study it, and you'd understand what I'm talking about. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop it at the comment section, and I will attend to it as quickly as possible. I'll be dropping more videos concerning music, clarifying issues in music, and in no time we'll jump into practical scoring of songs. Now what I intend to do in this channel is to guide us to scoring songs practically. Like I said in the introduction to music, most singers find it challenging scoring songs, more so that scoring songs help us to develop music. So that is what we are going to be doing on this channel. You can drop songs on the YouTube, on the comment section. Drop your songs, I will listen to them, I will come on this channel and we'll score them practically. What did each part sing here? We are going to do that practically, and trust me, your time here will not be wasted. So that is why you should turn on your notification bell so that you won't be left out when I drop new content. Subscribe, like the video, share, and drop your comments. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye.